If you are a site administrator or district administrator in PowerSchool PL, then you're able to run an ad hoc report for APLDS clock hour credit and looking at those transcripts for everyone in the district rather than going by individual school administrator. So to do that, first, of course, you need to log in to PowerSchool PL. You're going to click on Administration in the top tab. You're going to then click on Ad hoc Reporting up under Applications. All right, now we're going to look for the transcript ad hoc report. So I'm going to scroll down until I find transcript. Then I'm going to click on New Report. Now we want to deselect everything that's already checked right here. So to do that, we're going to click on Select All twice. And now we're only going to select the information we need for this purpose. So we're going to go ahead and select course number. We're going to select course title. Remember, we're looking for APLDS in that course title. That's how we know it's on the state approved list for the purposes of the APLDS program and the Principal-Act stipend. All right, then we're going to scroll down until we find and click on APLDS clock hour credit. Remember, that's the credit type that should be awarded for the Principal-Act and APLDS program. So we're going to click on this drop-down menu, and we're going to change that to greater than or equal to 1. We're going to keep going down, and we're going to click on last name, first name, and it's just really good practice to also click on ALSDE ID to make sure we are, in fact, looking at the right person. Now, yours might look different depending on your level of access, but if I want to drill down just to my district, I may have to go through and click this plus sign where it says all my sites, click on Alabama, and then I'm going to go by my regional in-service center and then eventually select my district. So once I've done that, we're going to click on Run, and that's the button to the left. Now it's going to take some time to process this information. So what they'll do, the platform, what it'll do is it'll send you an email with a link where you can view the actual results. So let me show you what this is going to look like in an email. All right, so I'm looking at a district report and I'm seeing the course numbers here. I'm seeing to make sure that everything starts off with APLDS, right? And then I'm going to look at how many APLDS clock hours, and then it's itemized for each person. So I can see by last name and then first name, and of course their ID. And so from there, if I want to download, I can download a CSV file, turn that into an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So whatever process works best for you, but it's going to itemize it. And unfortunately, the way this ad hoc report works is not going to total it for you. So that's where you would, if you wanted to take this route, need to go that extra step and maybe do an Excel spreadsheet and tally it up that way. But this is just another opportunity for you to go ahead and run the report and check APLDS clock hour credit for everyone in your district.